Oh, thank you. Hi to 319. Good morning, everyone. Morning po. So big. Yeah, I know it's big. Ang katay ng ilong. Alam ko magkakasipon. Forget. Welcome to 343. Hi to Roar. Roar, roar, roar. Hello, good morning. Hello to 354. Oh my god, thank you, Milzy. Thank you so much for a total of 237. Thank you. Hello, Sean. Thank you so much. Thank you for your gifts, guys. I also accept Gcash and PayPal gifts. Thank you so much. Hi, Fairy Tale. Hello, hello. Di ba ako nag-almusal? Siguro mamaya. Hi, Shaitan. Hi, Tor. Damn, girl. 367. Welcome. Welcome to my life. Oh. Hi to Uncle Jones. Good morning. Ano talaga? May something dito. Ano yun? Thank you. Welcome to my life. Thank you so much, Milzy. Thank you. Hi to 381. Good morning. Hi. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you guys. 384. Good morning. Saan nalamunin ko? Thank you so much, Milzy. Thank you for total 311. Morning. Init. Lagi tayo po. I'm so sorry, still sleepy. I'm still sleepy, guys. Thank you, Milzy. Thank you for total of 411. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your gifts, guys. I also accept Gcash and PayPal gifts. Hello. No, it's not DG. It's not DG. Welcome. Hi to 403. Thank you so much, guys. Good morning. We're only one. Oh. So hot in the Philippines right now. Random, I'm fine. I'm fine today. I am fine. I'm from the Philippines. Philippines. I don't have milk. We have a powdered milk here. You want? We have powdered milk. Baka gusto mo. Halating 411. Near Manila. Halating 418. Good morning. Thank you, Rashid. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hindi ko nakababasa yung ibang comments kasi ang bilis. Magandang umaga. Hindi magandang umaga din sa'yo. Welcome. Ilan taon na ako? I am 21. Turning 22 this year. Welcome. Hi to 423. Welcome, guys. Oh, I just know a few words. Really? Thank you. Thank you so much, Milsey. Thank you for a total of 523. Welcome. No, my hair is not amazing today. Today is a bad hair day. Bad hair day siya ngayon, guys. Hindi na ako 19. Sadly, I'm not 19 anymore. Kasi parang kailan lang, 16 lang ako na nag-pandemic, dahil. Tapos, parang pagkatapos ng pandemic, hindi na ako teenage. Nakakainis. Welcome. Thank you for your gifts, guys. I also accept Gcash and PayPal gifts. Morning, hi Arnel ATA. Ah, this is just a dress, guys. So, this is just a dress today. Okay, let me just show you quick. I'll show you quick. How can I show you? I'm just wearing a dress today. I'll just show you real quick. Wait, there. It's just a dress. It's a black dress. Thank you so much. Hi to 485. Welcome, guys. It's just a dress. Good morning. Hi to Deepak. Thank you so much, guys. 200 more and we will reach 3 stars. Thank you. Welcome, I to 507. Welcome to my life.